Here, oops, you can almost put an egg on it and fry it. That is affecting the piano tuning. That can damage your piano in some years. It's blowing into the piano. When it was new, the piano, you can see it here. The sunlight has hot and cold, few hours a day, chick, so easily. So hello. Today, I have been tuning this Steinway C grand piano. And I like to talk about where you put your piano at home or in schoolrooms or everywhere. Don't let the sunshine shine into the piano. It's not good when it gets hot and cold. Like here in this room, there's a beautiful Steinway here. We have air heating in this room, and I have been telling them to store the piano not on this wall here, behind the piano, because there's air heating, and now they are blowing some air coming from here to heat up the house. And it's very, you see the paper here is not going to the wall, it's blowing some wind here. You can see it. There's a lot of wind blowing here, out of this. Here, it's okay, no wind. And then I come here, you see how much it is. The air. It's blowing into the piano, drying the piano up, so you never get the good quality from your piano if the humidity is out of the wood. And here also. Here it's blowing away, in between it's going. You see the difference. It's a lot of wind, air coming through this, and this is not hot, it's a little cold, and it's drying up the air in this room. So that means there's a humidity in the wood in the piano. The humidity is going out of your piano if you have it like this here. And I notice the sound of this piano is getting not so rich and a little hard too, because the humidity in the piano is very, very low. In Iceland, we have the humidity always, all year around, very, very low. But if you have a humidity higher, the piano will sound better. Always think about when you store your piano, not by the window where the sun is shining, not by the radiator or the air heating like this here. That can damage your piano in some years. The quality is good in the piano, but you don't get the quality from the piano because the piano is not in the right place in your house or in your schoolroom. So here we have a KAWAI piano. The sun is shining few hours a day through the windows here, straight into the piano. The piano is heating a lot up. So it gets very hot in the evenings and night. It's cooling down the day after the sun is shining. So that's not good for the piano because the temperature, humidity is always changing in the piano. So easily they go out of tune. Hot here, oops, you can almost put an egg on it and fry it. But here at the other side, it's cold. Hot and cold, few hours a day, chick, always changing. That is affecting the piano tuning. When you have piano, don't let the sun shine on your piano. If you want the tuning to hold better, longer, and the piano will last longer, you have more lifetime for the piano if you don't put the piano into sunshine like it is here. I have been telling them, put the piano away when you're not using it, and don't let the sun shine on it. But I hope that they will listen to me now. Here we have a ribbon piano. It has been standing in this church for many years, and the sunshine has been shining to the piano. We see that the color of this piano is very light, but if you take a better look here, this is the color of the piano now. When it was new, the piano, You can see it here. The sunlight hasn't been shining on it. So this is the original color of the piano. You see how light it is now. The original color, and it looks like this now. So be careful when you have piano at home. Doesn't matter if it's black or wooden pianos. And it's very good if you think about it, where the piano is, that the sun is not shining to the piano, and you can protect it from the sunlight. Especially the wooden ones change the colors a lot during the years. So it's not very nice to look at them if they have many colors. But if it's not in the sunlight, you can have this original color more longer on the piano. You can see it here when the sunlight has been shining to the piano. It's just a little tip for me to let you know, think about where you can store your piano in your house, or school, or church, or wherever they are. Take good care of your piano, please. Think about it. Where do you put your piano in your house or in your room? Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.